All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out on the lake, not having any luck because it's tough conditions, high water and cold water. Doesn't usually mix. So I'm going to take this time, kind of do a comparison video on these two right here. The original Chatterbait, roughly $5. The Jackhammer Chatterbait, roughly $16 to $20, depending on where you get it from. So let's see what's the difference. All right, we're going to start with the original Chatterbait first. Both these are going to be set up the exact same on 15-pound fluorocarbon, same Gary Automoto trailer, and same reel and rod. So starting with the original Chatterbait, you see it's got slight vibration to it. Kind of get above water footage of it. You see it's vibrating the tip just a little bit. Kind of got a slight vibration to it. Now let's try the Jackhammer. It's got a little bit more heavier vibration to it. See the rod tip. Feels pretty close to the same. It's not that much difference from what I can tell right now than the original. It's got a little bit more of a harder vibration. That's about it. But let's check the underwater footage. Alright guys, there's different angles of the Jackhammer and the original and underwater footage of it. So my comparison on it, there's a little bit difference to it. Above the water they feel about the same. Jackhammer has maybe a little bit more thump, but underwater you get a little bit different sound with the Jackhammer due to the tungsten head, where the original is just lead. Now over time the Jackhammer is going to hold up better because of that tungsten, and the paint's better on it also, and you get a better hook than the original. So is it worth that extra 10-12 bucks? Maybe, or maybe not. I'll leave that up to y'all.